Morning friends. My name is Swaminathan from Woodpecker Furniture. I would like to introduce Armonia, which has been brought to Chennai for the first time, probably from South India for the first time. Armonia specializes in home decor, furnishings and woodpeckers and furniture. So it's a combination of both. It's going to be a unique blend of both the products. I'll request Mr. Vijayant and Manish to take over and take us through with Armonia, the details of Armonia and the brand of Armonia. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, friends. It's a very proud moment for us to come and open our first showroom in South India, which is decor, furniture and furnishing all put together on a size of around 10,000 square feet. We already have 25 showrooms, but in South India, this kind of a showroom is one of its kind. We have very high hopes. And we are very proud to be associated with Mr. Swaminathan from Woodpeckers, who's planning to open at least 4 stores in Chennai
in a span of 1 year. So again, thanks to Chennai to welcome in Armonia in Chennai. It's a nice combination with Woodpecker in Chennai with a combination of Armonia. Means with a combination of home decor and furnishing together with the furniture. It's a unique combination of the concept, and that is the USP of this store. So you cannot find this kind of combination in this kind of format, never in India again.
We have an experience of approximately 20 years in home decor business. Armonia company was formed around 4 years back, and within a span of 4 years, when the time was also very tough, we are lucky to open 25 showrooms. The stocks what you see here has been brought from 7 countries, and the major contribution is from India. Very surprisingly, India has made very good progress in home decor segment, which people have not even realized. So we have picked those products which are being exported to US, UK market, and those are being sold here in Chennai now.
And another biggest strength of the store from today onwards, like you visit everywhere in the India for home decor, furnishing and furniture, everywhere, everything. The price which you found here, the price is the main strength of our store. The price which we put here, the same price you found in Delhi, Mumbai or all metro cities in India. So now the Chennai people get the furniture, decor, furnishing in the same price of Delhi. So even if some people go out for buying because of the price, because of the variety. So we fulfill all the things in Chennai in this store with the same price, with a huge kind of varieties.
So we have a very huge target which we have taken on ourselves. In 3 years' time, we are planning to touch a number of 100 stores in India.